day, a piece of shit has to go and fucking do some bullshit like this in the top lane or jungle. This game's just not good for me, dude.
I was looking at Destiny 2.
This mist has become.
But that one doesn't have like a lot of people who are really into the game.
Unfucking playable game. Completely unplayable fucking game.
Your tomb awaits.
It's losing their lane. We're better.
Fucking cancer champ, dude. I swear to God.
You are beyond. What's one more grave?
I can't even move.
Holy shit,
Look at this guy.
how did you get so loud?
Curse upon the ground.
Look at it, doesn't much, dude. Get out of here, dude. I can't even play, dude. I can't even roam. I can't, dude. I'm never fucking playing top lane again,
An
dude.
ally has been slain.
And abandoning Heimerdinger for fucking
An
eternity.
enemy has been slain.
Fucking bullshit cocksucker champ. Oh, it's not
I don't know
going
why
well,
I-
Aubrey.
The shock of resurrection quickly passes.
Fucking asshole.
I shall perform your rites.
What?
The mist comes for you.
Fucking dickbag champ, I swear to God.
Rest in your rightful place.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Tell me of the beyond, in case I never make it.
An enemy has been slain.
Ah, the sweet smell of science.
Oh, okay.
See the lady. She comes.
Timer top, easy LP. Dude, this game's unplayable, dude. It's so fucking retarded.
don't
Top lane is
play
just,
him next
it's
time.
always no. It's not about that. It's literally about Riot like going, okay, well that's how we're gonna do it. Rock paper scissors top. It's dude, they don't even work, man. What the fuck?
The beyond is not given, it is earned.
The fuck Nazi actually outruns the entire team.
Slain. Your turret has been destroyed.
Heimerdingers used to be really slow. They were ungankable because they couldn't run away. Or they were gankable because they couldn't run away.
Oh, let me guess. Our entire team doesn't even have a fucking tower down. Typical. 20-minute game, no towers down yet. Fucking typical.
So many souls to liberate.
I'm trying.
No, it's not you. There's 3 turrets.
I'm trying as hard as I can.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
It falls like death used to mean something.
Where did the fucking Pantheon go?
Hold on. I got you.
I don't know why I flashed. I have no idea.
Hear you.
Has destroyed a turret.
Some of these species are
You gotta back off or you're gonna die.
Gotta get that Heimer.
Yeah, we gotta backtrack on him. Ari is so fucking slow unless she's
Water
fucking
for the
jumping.
shovel for the dead.
Did that really just
An
happen?
ally has been slain.
Oh, that's frustrating.
Unstoppable.
I cling to life like the thinnest thread. Scatter their remains. The Isles remember. This journey is long, but I will complete it. What's one more grave? The bells toll, and I respond. Don't bury me with it. You can't take it with you.
Someone's gotta go fuck Heimerdinger in the bot lane. I guess it'll be me.
Killing spree.
You need a couple
Everyone I
of us
knew is
to do
dead.
so.
How are things with you? To destroy.
I can't move. What the fuck, dude? Fuck you.
Well, see, he pushes in so far and then he kind of puts himself at a liability.
I must take.
Why can't I move?
An ally
Because that's what Heimerdinger does, man.
Nah, I've got the middle.